The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Number 1. Never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel superior and secure. If you shine too brightly, it may threaten their position, leading to your downfall. Number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends can become jealous and betray you. Sometimes rivals can be more trustworthy if they have something to prove. Number 3. Conceal your intentions. Keep your plans and motives hidden to prevent others from sabotaging your efforts. Mystery can add to your power. Number 4. Always say less than necessary. The more you say, the more likely you are to say something foolish. Speaking less makes your words more impactful and retains intrigue. Number 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Your reputation is one of your most valuable assets. Protect it fiercely, as it influences how others perceive and treat you. Number 6. Court attention at all costs. Stand out and keep yourself in the spotlight. Even negative attention can be preferable to being ignored, as visibility breeds power. Number 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Leverage the skills and efforts of others to advance your own goals, ensuring you reap the benefits of their hard work. Number 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Attract others to you instead of pursuing them. Create situations where people feel compelled to seek you out. Number 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Demonstrate your point through concrete results rather than endless debate. Actions carry more weight than words. Number 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Negative people can bring you down. Surround yourself with positivity to maintain your own happiness and success. Follow for part 2.